Hi everyone! This is Elise with the Santa Cruz Museum of Natural History, and today I'm here to guide you in drawing and learning about the different parts of a flower. For this activity, you will need paper, a pencil, and coloring utensils if you want to add color to your drawing. First, we are going to draw the roots of our plant, and then the stem. Draw the stem however tall you like, but make sure to leave room for the flower. How do the roots and the stem help the plant survive? The roots and the stem help the plant stand up tall. They also allow water and food to move through the plant. Next, we are going to add some leaves onto the stem. Why do you think a plant needs leaves to survive? Leaves are important because they make food for the plant. Through a process called photosynthesis, the leaves take in sun, carbon dioxide, and water. This produces food for the plant in the form of glucose or sugar, and oxygen for the animals, such as us. Now we are going to draw the sepal at the top of the stem. Why do you think the sepal is important to the flower? The sepal may look like a leaf, but its job is to support the petals when the flower is in bloom. Next, we are going to draw the carpel, also known as the pistil, on top of the sepal we just drew. This part includes the stigma, style, and ovary. Have you noticed this on a flower? How do you think this part helps the plant survive? This is the female part of the flower. The ovary is where the plant will either grow a fruit or seed. The style connects the ovary to the stigma, and the stigma catches pollen from other plants. Then we will add some petals on top of the sepal. Why does a flower need petals? Petals use color and shape to attract animals to the flower for pollination. Pollination is important for plant reproduction and can also occur by wind and rain. Last, we will draw the stamen, which connects to the ovary. The stamen includes the anther and the filament. Draw as many stamens as petals. Have you noticed this on a flower? How do you think this part helps a plant survive? This is the male part of the flower. The anther produces pollen, and the filament helps the anther stand up tall. Not all flowers have all the parts we just drew. We just drew what is called a perfect flower. Perfect flowers contain both male and female parts. This trillium is an example of a perfect flower. Imperfect flowers contain only female or only male parts. This wild blackberry is an example of an imperfect flower. Now, I challenge you to try and find perfect and imperfect flowers outside.